What's the lead safe renovation, repair, and painting law? And does it apply to you? I'm Frank G, and we'll get to the bottom of this in this episode. This is the 2-Minute Window. A couple of months ago, I posted an article on Jantek Windows blog that stressed the importance of consumers vetting any contractor that they're considering for their replacement window or patio door job. Well, since then, a very high-profile event occurred in the replacement window and door industry that underscores the intent of that blog article. Namely, caveat emptor, let the buyer beware. What happened is a very large national home improvement big box retailer agreed to pay a fine of over 20 million, it's like $20,750,000, the largest fine settlement ever under this law, for its failure to follow the EPA's lead paint rules. Specifically, the settlement resolves the company's repeated violations of the EPA's lead renovation and repair and painting rule. We call it the RRP rule. The rule requires that all contractors, they have to test for presence of lead-based paint before conducting home renovations for houses built before 1978. The company that was subject in the case uses subcontractors exclusively in their remodeling and installation work nationwide. In violation of the law, they utilized subcontractors that were not EPA certified. They did not test the job site for lead-based paint before doing the work as required. They did not follow EPA lead-safe work practices to avoid spreading lead dust and paint chips during the work. And they did not perform a lead clearance after the completion of work. So these violations put the company's customers, especially small children in these homes, at risk of lead exposure through inhalation or ingestion. So what does this mean for replacement window buyers, namely yourselves? Well, if you're going to install windows yourself, it doesn't mean anything because the rule doesn't apply. But if you're going to have a replacement window company or contractor do the project and your home was built before 1978, then you need to follow the instructions I give in the blog. And you can go there on our website, the Ultimate Replacement Window Contractor Vetting Checklist. Look it up. You can specifically ask the contractors and subcontractors for their required EPA lead certification credentials and appropriate information about how the contractor is supposed to do and complete the work should lead paint be found. Now you can review this checklist, as I said, at jantekwindows.com. The facts in this highly visible case illustrate consumers should do their homework before engaging any window company. Certainly, they should not be enamored with the big corporate names, as in this case, to the extent that they're blindly trusting and don't ask for these important questions up front. So that's a wrap for this episode. There's a lot more information on this and other replacement window and project planning ideas on our website. Be sure to check out and subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook. I'm Frank G, and remember, save energy, capture comfort.